In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card on crypto.com. So when you're on your home page, at the bottom menu, head over to account. And then right here, you're going to click on crypto. You're going to see a list of options here to buy, sell, pay, or transfer. So you're going to click on pay. So at the top menu here, head over to gift cards. And you're going to see a list of gift cards available here. Let's buy this Pathfinder gift card. Just click on it. And then here you're just going to enter the value amount for your gift cards. When you do that, just go ahead and click on pay. Just agree to the terms and then click on continue. So when you do this, if you have enough balance to pay for these gift cards, then your gift card is going to be purchased.